Welcome to New World. In this video we are going to see top 5 business ideas with zero investment in 2020. So let's start. For searching for business opportunities without any spending. For freelancing or online business, this scenario is mostly valid. I am sure, however, that you will find here. If you're searching for the same, you may want to start your own business, but you don't have much or no capital to invest in. Not being too aggressive with your project and starting with little or no investment is always a good idea. If you're among those finding ideas without investment for your venture, here are the top 5 ideas. 1. Start blogging. Today, for the simple reason that there is so much to do here, blogging may take you to a different level. First of all, you must be focused, diligent and simply enormous to be able to make it wide for blogging. Blogging has different aspects, including a team of writers and the ability to take large-scale projects in which you receive some money as the author. If you are the only blogger, however, you can also do this using the right SEO resources and relentless efforts. 2. Be an online seller. If you are a professional creator or good at any other form of art, you can also make things out of it and start selling them through social media or any other e-commerce platform like Amazon and Flipkart. 3. Start a recruitment firm. The trend in unemployment is growing in the market, and this will be one of the best things to start with today. You can either have a small office and use your communications with both large and small companies, or, if you are someone you know as key contacts in the industry, you can also start it on an individual basis. 4. Be a reseller. If you don't have to spend anything and you don't have to manufacture anything, reselling is always a smart thing to start a good business. As a reseller, you are a middleman where you get the merchandise at cheaper rates and gain some income in the same. 5. Sell your services online. It is one of the most popular business plan with zero investments, where you just have to market your services that could range from babysitting or advising to anything. Start with your name and your business and slowly establish your own brand name. It is also a good idea to have a website where you can draw the attention of potential customers. Thanks for watching. I hope you have got some ideas and you will soon start your own business.